Hello all, welcome to my channel Code GP. I do believe that you are doing well. So in this video, let's learn about constructor overloading in Java. Okay. So before moving forward, let's see what is constructor. So constructor enables the initialization of objects in Java. Okay. So constructor has the same name as the class name. And now let's talk about constructor overloading. Okay. So when we use parameters in constructor, means when we use the parameterized constructor with different parameters, uh, then it leads to constructor overloading. Okay. Suppose first of all we use a constructor having two parameters, and later on we again use that constructor with two or one parameter, or having no parameter, then it leads to constructor overloading in Java. Okay, friends. So let's move to code demo for constructor. Uh, let's see the code demo for constructor overloading in Java. Okay, so let's move to Eclipse IDE for that. Fine. Let's move to Eclipse IDE to create code for constructor overloading. So friends, here I have one class with name constructor overloading. Okay. So let's define one more class here with name employee. Okay. Class employee. Fine. And let's define some variables, fields or fields in this class employee. Okay. So private int employee ID. Okay. Employee ID. Fine. And next field will be private string employee name. Employee name. Fine. And the next field will be private double salary. Okay. And save the code. Now friends, let's define one parameterized constructor here with three parameters. Okay. Okay, friends. Now let's generate constructor using fields. So right click, generate constructor using fields. Fine. Generate. Fine. So here we do have a parameterized constructor with three parameters, which are employee ID, employee name, and salary. Okay. Now let's define parameterized constructor with two parameters. Okay. So let's right click. Let's right click, source, generate constructor using fields, and only select two parameters here. Okay. Which is just unselect the field or variable salary. Okay. Fine. So here, this is our next constructor, another constructor, which is with parameters employee ID and employee name. We have not add the variable salary here. Okay. So what we have done here, we have overloaded the constructor employee, as we didn't use the variable salary here. Okay, we terminate one variable salary here. Okay, fine. So this is the constructor with two parameters, and this is the constructor with three parameters. Fine. And now let's add our default constructor. Fine. So friends, now let's create our default constructor in which we are not setting any parameters. Okay. So generate constructor from superclass. Select the option generate constructor from superclass and click on generate. Fine. Delete the keyword super. Delete this node as well. So friends, now let's set the default values uh, having no parameters. Okay. So this 0 employee ID Rahul and the salary will be 0.0. Fine. Just change the name. Okay, fine. Now friends, let's move on in our code. Let's create one method with a name display to get the output to print our constructor variables. Okay. So public void display. Fine. Let's add the print statement here. Pass the message employee ID plus employee ID. Okay. Again, for employee name, plus employee name. Fine. Again, save the code. Again, add one print statement, which will print dash 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 only. Okay, fine. So friends, here we have created three constructors with this with different parameters. Okay. Now let's move into our main class. And create objects respectively for create objects for each constructor respectively. Okay. So new employee. Pass the employee ID as 101. Pass the employee name as Sanjay. And the pass the employee salary, which will be 50,000. Okay. And let's come into left side, write the last name, and I'm writing the object name as employee EMP1. Let's repeat the procedure for next constructor. New employee ID will be 102. right? And the employee name is Ram. Okay, let's come into left side. I can write the class name. Employee object name will be employee2. I'm taking object name as employee2. Okay, and the last one, and for last one, new employee, right? Come into left side, write the last name, and the object name will be employee3, right? And save our code again, and let's call the method display respectively. Let's call the method display on each object respectively. Okay, so amp1 dot display, right? Again emp2 dot display. Just select the method from the list. emp3 dot display. Fine, friends. So friends, here we have done with our code. We have completed our code. We have completed our code demo for constructor overloading. Okay. So let's run our code. Sorry friends, here I have forget to write one print statement. So let's do write that. Which we pass the salary, pass the message as salary. I do forget to write the salary of the employee, which is the most important for employee, which is the most important thing for the employee. Okay. So let's pass the variable name salary, right? So friends, now let's run our code. So friends, now you can see that this is our output: employee ID 101, employee name Sanjay, salary 50,000, and so on. Okay. So friends, this is all about uh, constructor overloading in Java. So friends, in conclusion, constructor overloading is a powerful feature in Java that enables us to create objects in different ways, ensuring that our code remains both expressive and flexible. It exemplifies the elegance and adaptability of Java's object-oriented paradigm. Okay. So friends, I do believe that you understand very well about constructor overloading in Java. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel Code GP. Please help to grow my channel. Please add value to my videos by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding. Happy coding. Thank you once again.